Okay, let's dive in and show you the new offer letter feature within Eddy HR's hiring ATS. So if I come over to the hiring tab, what I will do is I'll click into one of my open or active jobs. So I have this marketing manager job here. And you'll notice that there is an offer stage in my pipeline. Now this offer stage isn't new. We've had offer stages from the beginning of Eddy HR's product, but previously this offer stage was editable. And you'll notice what we've done is we've made this stage a locked, uneditable stage. And we've done that because this stage is going to be what triggers offer letters. So anytime a candidate moves into the offer stage, that's going to trigger an opportunity to create an offer letter. And I'll show you that here. I have Courtney Rhodes. She just interviewed and has done a great job, and we're ready to make her an offer. I'll drag her into the offer stage, and you'll notice I'll get this pop-up that says, hey, let's make an offer to Courtney. I can go ahead and create the job offer by clicking this button. Now, if I'm not ready to create the offer just yet, I can click Not Now, and then when I come back, whenever I'm ready, I can click into Courtney's candidate profile, and I have this job offer option, and I just click on this Create a Job Offer button. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll get this little pop-up here that just kind of walks me through what's going to happen. Basically, it says this offer is going to be an online offer, meaning you're going to create it digitally. It will get sent digitally to the candidate, and they will sign the offer or accept that offer digitally if they so choose to accept. And then it will also just let us know that we're going to save the offer letter for future reference. When a job candidate signs an offer letter, they will automatically be emailed a PDF copy of the offer letter they sign, and then a copy will also be added to the new hire's document. So if you end up hiring this employee, when you add them as an employee, if you were to look in their employee profile, you would see a copy of the offer letter there. So just some details on what's happening. Now, what's cool is before I create this offer, most of the information is pulled directly from the job post. And so there's only a few things for me to do to confirm, which is I need to put in the pay rate. And you'll notice that if you set up a compensation budget when you were creating your job, you'll have reference to it here. And so this is just something you would input and then is referenceable later. And then a potential start date for the candidate, you can come and click the icon here and say, okay, we want you to start on April 19th. And then an offer expiration date. So I'm creating this offer on April 1st, and I'm going to have the offer expiration expire on April 9th. And so now that I've got all the information about this offer, I can go ahead and click Next. And now it's time for me to create my offer letter. Now, there's a few ways to do this. The first is you can come into this text box and you can create an offer letter yourself. And so you could write it up and send it off, and that would be great. You can also use offer letter templates. So in the offer letter templates, we have created a default offer letter which you can steal and you can use for your candidates if you want to. And so you'll notice that in this default offer letter that we've created, we have automatically put in things like the candidate's first name, their job position, the company name, what the start date will be, who they'll report to, and what the pay rate is. Things like that have automatically been put in. And so that's kind of a cool feature. And if you wanted to use that feature but not wanted to use our own offer letter, our default offer letter template, you can come in and you can create your own template. So I just click on this Create New Template button, and basically I get this blank screen and I'm able to create my own template. So I could say, hey, and then come over here to candidate info and just have it insert the candidate's first name. So, hey, candidate first name, we are excited to offer you the position of, and then I can come into job info here and take the job title and add that. And then I can say your pay rate will be, and I can just click on the pay rate there. and I can say your start date will be, and I can click on start date. And so you can see how you can craft your own offer letter template. You also have information about the sender. So if you wanted to say sincerely and then sender full name and job title, I can add that there. And then you also have company info if you wanted to input the company name anywhere. And all I'd need to do is give my offer letter a name, offer letter template a name. So custom template, hit save. And now you'll notice if I come to use my custom template, it says, hey, Courtney, we're excited. And it just inputs those things that I wanted to have in that offer letter. So again, you can create your own templates. You can use our default template, whatever you'd like, whatever's best for your company. I'm going to go ahead and use the default template, and I'm going to hit next. And then this last step is just to customize a little email to your candidate. So remember, the offer letter is not the email. The offer letter is separate from the email that we're going to send. And so this email, we just want to say, hey, we are excited to make you an offer. Click on the link to see it. And so for a subject line, I'm just going to put offer enclosed. And then for my body, I would just say, hey, we are so excited to make you a job offer. Click the link in the email and check it out. Looking forward to working with you. Okay, and again, I can use email templates for something like this as well, but I would have to make the template beforehand. So I'm just going to type up my own. It's going to go to the candidate, Courtney Rhodes. It's going to come from Mike Jones, who's the CEO and the hiring manager in this case. And I have created my subject and my body. And I'm going to go ahead and send that offer away. So now on Courtney Rhodes' profile, I see that a job offer has been sent. I get this notification here that it's been sent. If I come back to the hiring tab, I will see that the marketing manager has one offer outstanding. You'll see I have another job that also has one offer. If I were to click on job offers, I can see that Courtney Rhodes has been offered for this position. This is when it was offered. This is when it has expired. There's also a viewed section. So right now, I'm actually going to go to Courtney's email and log into Courtney's email and see this job offer. So this is Courtney's email. Hold on one second. Let me log out of this account. And you'll see that Courtney got the email from Mike Jones. It says, hey, we're excited to make you an offer. Click the link in the email and check it out. So as Courtney, I'm going to click this and review the offer. Now you'll notice that the candidate who's reviewing the offer, they're not going to have to sign in. They don't need login credentials to see this. They're just able to click on the email, the review offer button on the email, and then their offer letter will pull up automatically. So that's kind of cool. And I can go through and read this. I can then draw my signature here as the candidate who's being offered, or I can go ahead and type. So I'm going to do that and type Courtney Rhodes. Okay. And then I'm going to accept the offer. And so the candidate will just see this congratulatory screen. Nothing else will happen for them immediately, because just because the candidate accepted the offer doesn't mean other things may not have to happen before you officially hire them. So by them accepting the offer won't hire them immediately into your company. So they'll just see this congratulatory screen, but won't go any further until your company decides to go further with the candidate. So let's see what that looks like now. So if I log back in, let's see. If I log back in as the hiring manager, and I come back to the hiring section, I will now have a notification on my job offer that Courtney Rhodes has accepted the offer. So I can come here and click on Courtney Rhodes as the candidate, and I can see that she accepted the offer, and now it's up to me to move this candidate from the offer stage to the hired stage. And I can do that here, or if I am looking at it from this view, I can just drag Courtney to the hired stage. And now I'm able to add Courtney as an employee, and I would start the process by adding all of her information here and then going through the add employee flow. And so that is how offer letters works. It's a great simple tool just to get an offer out to a candidate. All offers will be tracked in the job offers tab here when there are open offer letters, and you will be notified about offers on your active jobs here. If you have any questions about offer letters or how they work, please let us know. We're super excited to roll this feature out to you and look forward to seeing how you use it. Thank you.